Mastering idioms, understanding off the charts. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms, specifically the phrase, off the charts. This expression is widely used in English, and understanding it can really boost your language skills. So, let's explore what it means and how to use it effectively in conversation. Off the charts is an idiom that is used to describe something as exceedingly good or bad, beyond the normal range. Originally, this phrase was used in the context of graphs or charts where something was so extreme that it would literally be off the scale. In everyday language, it's used to express that something is extraordinary or exceptional. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. Popularity. Her new book is off the charts. Everyone is talking about it. 2. Performance. His test scores were off the charts, way above the class average. 3. Quality. The taste of this homemade pie is off the charts. Notice how the phrase can be used in different contexts to emphasize the extraordinary nature of something. Understanding synonyms can help you better grasp the essence of an idiom. Here are some synonyms for off the charts: unprecedented, exceptional, extraordinary, incredible. Variations of the phrase might include off the scale or beyond the charts. When using off the charts, remember, it's suitable for both positive and negative contexts. It's often used in casual and informal settings. Be mindful of the context to ensure it's appropriate and clear. That's a wrap on off the charts. I hope this video has made this idiom clearer and you feel confident using it in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll find your language skills going off the charts too. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.